Well, this engine can run really hot. And it's not that there's anything wrong with this car, it's just that the engine is reverse cooled, which I had no idea was a thing until I actually bought this car. Because hot things want to rise and expand, the majority of engines are designed so that they cool from bottom to top. In this case though, Chevy wanted to get more power out of this engine, and so they wanted to have a higher compression ratio, but to do that, you need the engine, at least the top of it, to be a lot colder. Hence the name reverse cooling. Instead of having the coolant rise from bottom to top, the water pump forces it from top to bottom. Yeah, definitely something that really stressed me out the first time it happened, but from everything I've researched on this engine, it's apparently perfectly normal. Also, can we just appreciate that this is the only generation of Corvette where the hood opens like this and you can see the tires on top?